Today's topic is IARI. The long form of IARI is Indian Agricultural Research Institute. It is established in the year 1905 at Pusa, Bihar state. Its original name before 1947 was Imperial Agricultural Research Institute. The name of the IARI changed to Indian Agricultural Research Institute after 1947. At present, this institute is present at Delhi because in the year 1936, due to a massive earthquake, it was shifted from Pusa, Bihar to New Delhi. Since independence, IARI was a premier institute for agricultural research. The research regarding plant science was done at IARI for the development of society. It was well equipped during the year 1960 to 70. It was the period of Green Revolution. IARI, that is Indian Agricultural Research Institute, was India's premier national institute for crop research and crop education and extension. It was served the very important research institute for the research in agricultural field in India. The Green Revolution was born in the field of Indian Agricultural Research Institute, and the graduate students of botany constitute the core of research and education. The institute planned for the post of nation's need. During 1950s, the advertisement of scientific discipline constituted for further policies in agricultural research. The policies of IARI, that is Agricultural Research Institute, Indian Agricultural Research Institute, provided the base for its fast expansion in 1960s and 1970s. All the important areas besides research and education and extension activities were the main objective of Indian Agricultural Research Institute. Besides basic research, applied aspects of crop research gained a great importance, resulting in the development of several popular high-yielding varieties of almost all major crops. Several varieties have been developed by the institute, and their management technologies were also developed. This helped to increase the yield of agricultural products in India, in entire India. What was the mission of Indian Agricultural Research Institute? The primary mission of Indian Agricultural Research Institute is to explore new technologies of science in agricultural field and develop human resources. The research must be effectively positive, eco-friendly, sustainable, economically profitable, and socially equitable. This was the mission. At present, IARI, that is Indian Agricultural Research Institute, is a well-furnished, well-equipped research institute, a separate division for each of the plant aspect. The growth of India's agriculture during the past more than 100 years is closely linked with the research done in these laboratories and several technologies generated by the Indian Agricultural Research Institute. The institute has researched and developed a large number of agrochemicals for the management of different types of diseases of plants. which have been several have been patented and licensed and being widely used in the country. The institute, Indian Agricultural Research Institute, is a center of higher education and training in agricultural sciences at national and international level. This is all about Indian Agricultural Research Institute, which is situated at Delhi. Thank you.